Namaste students, welcome to Supermaths. Class 10 Arithmetic Progression Exercise number 5.2. 7th question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Here 11th term is given and the 16th term is given. We don't know the first term and we don't know the difference. In these kind of questions, equation type we have to use. We have already used equation type answers in the third question of this exercise to fill in the boxes. We are using the same type. Here we have A11 as 38, A16 as 73. We have to make two equations using these two numbers. A11 equals A plus n minus 1 into D. A11 is 38, A we don't know, and n, let us put 11 as n, number of terms as n. 11 minus 1 D we have to find. 38 equals A plus 10 D. This is our first equation. Now let us find the second equation, which is A16 equals A plus n minus 1 into D. A16 is 73, A we don't know, and n it is 16, D we have to find. 73 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1, it is 15, D. This is our second equation. By subtracting first equation from second, we will get the difference. That is, we will get D. Our second equation is A plus 15D equals 73. We have rearranged the equation. LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. And the first term is A plus 10D equals 38. While subtracting, we make all signs as minus. A cancelled. 15D minus 10D, it is 5D. 73 minus 38 is 35, and D equals 35 by 5. By cancelling, we got D as 7. Now we got the difference as 7. Now let us find A for the further solution. For finding A, we will use the formula, we use first equation, which is A plus 10D equals 38. By substituting D, 10 into 7, D with 7, will get A plus 10 sevens are 70 equals 38. A equals 38 minus 70. We'll shift this 70 to RHS. By subtracting 38 from 70, we'll get minus 32, as the bigger number has minus sign. Now we found the A value, and then we have to find the 31st term, the asked question in the AP. For finding A31, we use A31 equals A plus N minus 1 into D. We got A as minus 32 plus N 31 minus 1, D which we got 7. Minus 32 plus 31 minus 1, it is 30 into 7, and then minus 32 plus 3 sevens are 21 and 0 as it is 210. By subtracting 32 from 210, we got 178, which is the 31st term. Therefore, 31st term of this AP is 178. Thank you students. Subscribe to my channel Super Maths and share it and like it. Thank you.